Hi guys, in this tutorial I wanted to share with you how to make wafer paper butterflies. And as you can see here, I'm using a small piece of wafer paper and placing on top of a printed template. And to apply colors, I'm using eyeshadow brush and I'm using a little bit of petal dust in pink, dark red color, a little bit of gold and ivory. And I'm using dry brush to rub petal dust into my wafer paper on top of my template. Just a touch here and there, and you can download and print this template and make as many butterflies as you want. And now what I'm going to take is a little bit of black airbrush color and a tiny brush to outline my butterfly. And I draw all the tiny details and make some places darker. Next step, what I'm going to do is cutting out my butterfly, and it takes just a few seconds to have these beautiful creations. If you want to add wire to your butterfly, cut a small piece of wafer paper, maybe about 1/4 inch, as you can see, to attach wire. And I'm using 26 gauge white wire covered in paper, and I'm making a tiny hook, not even a hook, just folding it in half to make it a little bit easier to attach. And to attach my wire, I'm using wafer paper glue, and I'm just dipping my wire into wafer paper glue, placing on top of my butterfly on the back side, and covering with a small piece of wafer paper that we cut out earlier. Now you have your butterfly. And because we applied a little bit of wafer glue, wafer paper is flexible, so you can shape it and make it the way you want it to look like. If you want to make your butterfly extra special, you can use a little bit of piping gel, add to your butterfly, and add a little bit of edible glitter or any sparkles that you like. And now you have the sparkly, beautiful butterfly.